In this section, we will be working with applications in which we will be required to create and use linear equations in general form. In this example, movie tickets cost $7 for adults, $5.50 for children. A total of $668 was collected in ticket sales for a Saturday matinee. Write an equation representing the total amount of money collected. Now, in order to write this equation, you need to first define your variables. Looking back at the problem, movie tickets cost $7 for adults, $5.50 for children. The equation we are creating represents the total amount of money collected. So I am going to let A represent the number of adult tickets sold, and C represent the number of children's tickets sold. You could always use X and Y, but I find it helpful to use letters that actually remind me of what they represent. So A for the number of adult tickets, C for the number of children's tickets. Now looking back at the problem, $7 for adult tickets. So the amount of money collected, we have $7 times the number of adult tickets sold. So 7 times A plus $5.50 times the number of children's tickets sold. Now that sum adds up to the total amount collected, which in this case is $668. So rewriting this, 7A plus 5.50C equals 668. That is our linear equation in general form. In part B, if 42 adult tickets were purchased, how many children's tickets were sold? So using this equation, we have 7A plus 5.50C equals 668. We're going to replace A with 42. So 7 times 42 plus 550 times C equals 668. 7 times 42 is 294. Rewriting the rest of this equation equals 668. And then solve. So we're going to subtract 294 from both sides. On the left, 294 minus 294 equals 0. So we're left with 5.50C equals 668 minus 294 is 374. Divide both sides by 5.50. On the left, 5.50 divided by 5.50 gives you 1C, so the C is isolated, equals 374 divided by 5.5, 68. So your answer is 68 children's tickets. So 68 children's tickets were sold.